the 60-minute 9 right as we broke it. I picked up the 37.90 calls. See if we can't hit at least 38.12 here. We're going through 3,800. 5.12 is the target here, at least for this. I don't know if we can get there in this 5-minute candle. God, look at this thing go.
Order filled.
I'm gonna take some profits here to 20. I took what I did was on that. I've got my order field set up on my small account, so I took a contract back into 20, coming up on the black magic. 12 is the target, but just trade to the end of this 5-minute candle. So to get about 500 profits. If we can get a bounce back up into 3,800, the risk reward is still there. Nice risk reward is there, back to 37.70, right? Like I would expect this to go back to 37.70, but bouncing off the 5-minute 9, bouncing off the 15-minute 9. So the bulls might see that as just really bullish, but I don't care. We're back under that 3,800.
Order filled.
We're back into that 3,800. We got the pop up here. That's what I'm talking about. Now we're 1 minute in this candle and we're about to hit 81. I'm not selling here. 72, 70 is the black magic, or 72 is the black magic on the 5 and 70 on the 60, right? So, I mean, the next candle where we close matters. If we close under that, I'm hanging on because it's going to be a sell day. Yeah, we closed under 70. See if we can get a pop into 72 here. Got that little pop there. I got filled on the continuation for the short. I got a good trade on. I've taken profits. Now that last dump there gave me a nice win on the day. So taking profits. I've got a good day on my hands. I don't want to sell myself short. We have the potential for, so I got 2 contracts left. Profit stop in place and then the small account.